So last year we got to see the release of the M2 MacBook Air, and at the same time, we heard a lot of whispers regarding the upcoming 15 inches model of this version, which was rumored to be released earlier this year. What changes can we expect from this newer version of the MacBook Air? Let's have a brief discussion in today's video. Rumors suggest that we are likely to see the new MacBook Air earlier this year, but it doesn't specify the actual shape. For example, the current version of the M2 MacBook Air comes with a 16.6 inches display. Similarly, there were a few debates on the actual shape of the display's upcoming MacBook Air. According to a tweet last year by Ross Young, the CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, he claimed the new 15 inches MacBook Air is likely to come out in 15.2 inches, but later in December, on another update at 9T5 Mac, Ross confirmed that the newer version will feature a 15.5 inches display. That being said, let's have a look at the possible color changes on this model. The current version is available in 4 different colors such as Midnight, Starlight, Space Gray, and Silver. Similarly, for the visual changes, there are a lot of rumors about the color differences on the 15 inches MacBook Air as well. According to Apple Insider, there is a possibility we might see the same color variants just like the latest iMac. On top of that, they have also mentioned that the color around the bezel of the new MacBook Air will be white, instead of the black that we have right now. And according to Macworld, we might actually be able to see the green version of the M2 MacBook Air this time around, which was rumored to arrive previously. Now, we're all well aware of Apple's latest M2 Pro and M2 Max chips, which are equipped with 16-core neural engine and at the same time 40% faster compared to the previous generation. But are we going to see these chips on the upcoming 15 inches MacBook Air? Well, for the M2 Max certainly not, simply because it might be an overkill for a device such as MacBook Air. But there is a chance of seeing the M2 Pro chip on this newer version of MacBook Air along with M2 chip, since Ming-Chi Kuo, the best Apple analyst on the planet, already tweeted about this last year. Not only that, he also mentioned the name, stating it might not be called MacBook Air in his earlier tweet last year. This actually makes sense since the M2 Pro consumes more power and needs at least one fan in order to deliver maximum cooling efficiency, while the MacBook Air comes with a completely fan-less design. As for the connectivity, we are less likely to see any changes here, because the M2 MacBook Air already has more or less all the dedicated ports such as 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and they also brought back the MagSafe charging connector, which is likely to feature on the 15 inches MacBook Air as well. Although the exact release date hasn't been confirmed yet, according to Macworld, Mark Gurman suggested that Apple might bring out the new MacBook Air in front of the public eye in this spring 2023 launch. As for the price, Apple Insider claimed that it will cost marginally higher than the existing model, which could go as high as $1,399 base price, and it is expected, considering the price range of their previous products. In the end, judging from several news, leaks, and reports, we can clearly assume that the new 15 inches MacBook Air is already on the way, and it might make its appearance much sooner than we expected. So that's all from our side on the upcoming MacBook Air. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below to let us know what you think. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.